You will recall from yesterday's episode, which we will refer to as the golden episode. Yeah, golden? Well, it was number 50. I forgot to mention that yesterday. Anyway, in that episode I said I was going to use these two existing rails. I had originally only planed the one side level because, or rather the one edge level, because I was, figuring I was only going to be using them the once. But now that I'm going to use them for the final project, well, may as well get it looking good on the other side as well, because half the time each side is going to be showing, if that makes any sense, because it rotates. Anyway, yeah, so we're just sort of playing them down, and I'm got my jointer set here to 1/8 of an inch. And I know I'm going to lose, depending on how many passes, up to maybe 3/8 of an inch here, but I have to get down past what looks like used to be knot holes. I'm thinking that right now is a good time to round over these sharp edges here. This doesn't have to be perfectly round, just a little bit round. What I've got here is what's left of a snow shovel from a couple of winters ago. Saved the wooden handle. Plastic snow shovel itself's in the garbage. Anyway, what I'm doing is I'm making up the bridge for the cage that's going to hold the two rails apart. Okay, so the idea is that the other one will be just a little bit longer. It'll go down here at the end where the larger gear is, and the shorter one, it'll go out towards where the balance wheel is. Now, these sharp corners that you see here, I'm just going to round them over the same way I did this. Yeah, we're getting there. Thanks for watching. Now, don't go clicking the stop button just yet. Those of you who have watched a lot of my videos know I've said two things a lot. And one of them is, I don't like to do retakes. Second one is, I like to be completely honest in my videos. Now, what you're about to see, I have no idea what it's proven, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. Okay, the idea is, this will hold the two rails apart. And the other one will be just a little bit longer. Please do not expect an outtake at the end of every episode. Now, thanks for watching.